Timing X. Since 1999, one simple promise: install once, never come back. Built on OE experience, every process meets the strictest quality standards. Quality is engineered into every component. With 85-90% ACES and PIEs coverage and strong data support, we enable seamless platform integration and data exchange. With multilingual support and global reach, our products and services touch every corner of the world.
Энергия никогда не прекращается.
Mit precisem timing läuft alles reibungsloser.
Todo modo necesita un ritmo perfecto.
타이밍이 중요합니다.
타이밍 가스베테.
Tempo a tudo.
Good service and reliable products are built by teams guided by experience. At Timing X, every timing component starts with OE benchmarking. 3D scanning locks in precise shape and dimensions. Rigorous testing validates OE level performance. Only proven data moves us into tooling and production. Our timing chain begins with premium steel, advanced automated machining shapes, each component with precision, ensuring consistent quality across every part. Optical inspection systems continuously monitor each piece, automatically removing any that fall short of our strict standards. Chains are assembled on fully automated production lines, where every link and component is precisely integrated. Each timing chain undergoes comprehensive 100% testing, confirming OE level performance before it ever leaves the factory, from material to finished product. Our timing tensioner is developed with OE expertise, ensuring engineered precision from the start. Components are thoroughly cleaned and prepared for assembly. Assembly and testing take place on fully automated production lines, with 100% inspection guaranteeing OE level performance and reliable quality. Our timing sprocket is manufactured with advanced automated machining, ensuring precise dimensions and a perfect tooth profile. Heat treatment enhances hardness and wear resistance, while ultrasonic cleaning removes oil, dust, and debris, leaving surfaces impeccably clean. Our timing chain guide begins with high-grade steel, shaped through stamping forming, then precision machined for accuracy. Made from PA66 or PA46, each part is injection molded with consistent density and high stability. 100% inspection and rigorous quality control ensure every guide meets OE level standards. Our VVT phasers and solenoids are crafted with precision CNC automation. Every part performs reliably, controls valve timing accurately, and delivers enhanced engine performance, better fuel efficiency, and lower emissions. At our assembly and warehouse center, every process is driven by smart packaging systems, with full traceability managed through MES, WMS, and ERP platforms. Each part timing chains, guides, and tensioners is scanned individually, ensuring complete part-level traceability. Kits are barcode scanned, assembled, providing kit-level traceability, while conveyors automatically monitor production, enforcing inline quality control. From individual parts to complete orders, every step is tracked, confirming full supply chain traceability and reliable delivery. Our products start their journey here, perfectly matching every engine. What we connect is not just parts, it's every pulse of passion and dedication. Timing X. Install once, never come back.